Hey everyone, so this week I just saw an interesting situation where there's probably an easier way where we can extend the battery life for the Quest 2 to even up to 16 hours, and of course minus the surge protector. So let's get into it. So the Quest 2 headset battery life can last from somewhere around 2 or 3 hours. If you want to extend that time, you can actually double that by using the Elite battery strap, which brings up a total of around 4 to 6 hours of battery life. But if you want to add an additional 8 to 10 hours, you can attach a battery pack that has 10,000 milliamps to the Elite battery strap, which now brings it up to a total of around 12 to 16 hours of battery life for your Quest headset. And that's probably more than enough for most people. Keep in mind, the time will vary depending if you're using more media applications versus playing VR games that requires interaction. So it tends to last longer if you're just using the headset to stream movies or any TV shows. So I received this battery pack or VR power from a company called Rebuff Reality that costs $59.99 US. Now the VR power is pretty simple to install onto the head strap itself, and it only takes a few items to attach the battery to the strap. So the package comes with 3 clips, and one of them is marked specifically for the Quest 2, and 2 Velcro strips to attach to the battery, and a USB-C cable along with a couple stickers, a customer service card, and it comes with an instruction manual of how to attach it to the original soft strap and the regular Elite strap. But for our purposes, we'll be attaching it to the Elite battery strap. Now, this battery weighs around 275 grams, which weighs roughly half the weight of the Quest 2 headset. As far as appearance, it looks pretty sleek in design, but it still looks a little bit chunky. So if you turn it around, you can feel this soft rubber backing, and you'll notice 2 circular elements in the front that looks a lot like the Quest 2 cameras. I think these little details definitely help tie it in with the Quest headset. And in the center, it has a large power button to turn on and off the battery. You just need to press the button once to turn it on and quickly press the button twice to turn it off. So currently it's not 100% charged. You can tell it's only at 25% because the battery indicator is divided into 4 quadrants or sections. So the first quadrant tells the user it's at 25%, the second quadrant is at 50%, and the third is at 75%, and so on. So it's definitely easy to see how much power you have left with the battery. Now on the top of the battery, it has 2 charging USB-C ports and a power in the USB-C port. The first port is a 1 amp and it's ideal for charging other accessories. The second port is 3 amps where we can use that to charge the Oculus Quest. Third port is where we can charge the VR battery itself. So we just need to take the supplied USB-C cable and plug it into the power in port and plug the other end into the power brick. Personally, I'm using the one that came with the Oculus Quest 2. So once you plug it into outlet, a blue flashing light will light up indicating the battery is actually charging. So as far as placing it onto the Elite strap, the first thing we need to do is take the Velcro strips and attach it to the bottom of the battery strap. Then take the Quest 2 clips and slide the strap into the buckle of the clip and then secure it onto the strap. So as far as positioning onto the Elite strap, the easiest way I found is resting the battery on top of the Elite strap. Just make sure these strips are between the rubber padding and these Velcro strips are sticking up while you're placing it down. And then wrap both the strips around the rubber padding and then secure it in place. Then open up the Velcro strap from the clip and then secure it onto the strap's band. Then attach the USB-C cable by using the middle port of the battery. Now normally we would place the cables here for wire management to plug into the headset, but I'm going to just tuck the wires between here and then plug into the bottom of the Elite strap, and the VR power battery should light up. So now the VR power battery is feeding into the Elite battery strap. So if we go back into our Oculus home environment, let's take a quick look at our battery level. Now I didn't fully charge my headset, which is at 61%, or my Elite battery strap, which is at 6%, and you'll notice that down at the bottom it says it's charging because right now the VR power is plugged into the Elite battery strap, indicating it's charging up the unit. But normally if you want the full 12 or 16 hours of battery life, we should have our headset, the Elite strap, and the VR power battery at 100% at the start of our VR experience. Now the drawback to this method, it can get heavy for some people because the headset with the Elite battery strap and VR power weighs a total of 2.4 pounds or close to 1100 grams. And in my case, I also have the MYJK earphones, but that only weighs roughly 6 ounces, so it's not bad at all. Now VR power adds a nice counterweight to lift the headset off your face. However, you may feel the weight on your neck, but after 30 minutes or so, I actually got used to the weight of the headset and haven't had any issues since then. But if you feel like this is an issue for you, there's another option where you could use a longer USB-C cable. Personally, I use my Quest 1 cable and attached the Elite battery strap to the VR power battery, and then I placed it into my pocket. With the extra length of the cables, I just tied it off with the Velcro strip, and that would solve the weight issue if you felt like it was too heavy if it's attached to your head strap. And of course, there are other companies out there that are also selling battery powered banks, like the one from Aki that has 10,000 milliamps and weighs 178 grams. You can also place those in your pockets as well, and if you have a smartphone, you can also use it as a portable charger. Plus, you may want to look into the VRGE kit that comes with a belt clip if you want to attach the battery bank to your pants hip area or your pockets. Plus, it includes a 5 feet USB-C cable, which is half the length of the Quest 1 cable, and also includes a Velcro strap to help secure it on the side of the head strap. But if you have the lead battery strap, you already have a clip to help with that. So with both the kit and the battery bank, the total cost is $38 US, so it's cheaper than the VR powered battery. If you're interested in taking a closer look at these items, I'll leave all the links in the description. So what do you guys think? Do you think you'll be using a battery bank to help increase your playtime with the Quest? Or just using the Quest headset or Elite battery strap is just enough battery life for you? As always, if you liked the video, press the like button and consider subscribing. Talk to y'all later.